Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make two useful things that are rechargeable fan and rechargeable light that can be recharged by solar panel. To make this project we will need a solar panel and 4 volts battery and LED strip and a motor and a switch and a box. Tape and fan propeller. Let's start the video. First take the box and fit the LED strip like this. Make an hole to inside the wires. The hole is completed. Now paste double side tape to LED strip. Now paste it to the box. Now paste the LED strip to the box. Make sure that first inside the wire to the box and fix the LED strip to the box. Now make the switch connection. Now take the battery and fix the battery inside the box. Fix the battery inside the box. Now I have used SPDT switch, single pole double throw switch, because I am using two components, so I need same single switch. So I put SPDT switch, make the connection. Now connect battery's negative terminal to the common terminal of the switch. Now connect positive wire of the battery to the positive of the light, and another terminal of the switch is connected to minus negative point of the LED strip. See, the LED is glowing. Now take the fan and connect the solar panel upside the box. Put double side gum tape to the solar panel. Now fix the solar panel to the cap. Now I fixed the solar panel. Now connect the fan and solar panel to the battery. Now connect the other end terminal of switch to fans negative, and connect the positive terminal of fan to the positive of the battery. Now to charge we have to connect solar panel. Connect the solar panel positive wire to the battery's positive wire, and negative wire to battery's negative wire. Now all the connections are completed. Let's tape it. This solar panel give voltage of approximately 5 to 6 volts. It is enough to charge the battery. Now fix the fan propeller. Now let's test the project. See, the light is glowing. Fan is also working. To charge the battery, solar panel gives the power to the battery to charge. The project is completed. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.